Do you want to speak English better? Do you want to tell your friends about your day? It is very easy. Today, you will learn how to describe your life from the morning until the night. I will give you the words to talk about your work, your food, your hobbies, and your sleep. By the end of this video, you will feel very confident. You will be able to share your story with the world in English. Are you ready? Let us begin. The sun comes up and a new day begins. Most people start the day in a similar way. Imagine a man named John. John wakes up at 6 in the morning. He does not stay in bed. He gets up immediately. First, John goes to the kitchen. He makes a hot drink. It is usually tea or coffee. This helps him wake up his brain. He likes the smell of the coffee. It is a warm and happy smell. After he drinks his tea, he goes to the bathroom. He washes his face with cold water. This feels very good. It makes him feel fresh. Then, he puts on his clothes. He chooses a blue shirt and black pants. He looks in the mirror and smiles. John works in a big office. He leaves his house at 7:30. He walks to the bus stop. Walking is good for the body. It is his exercise for the morning. On the bus, he looks at his phone. He reads the news or sends a message to his mother. He says, "Hello, Mother. I hope you have a good day." This is a simple morning routine. It is organized and calm. It helps John start his day without stress. What do you do in the morning? Do you drink coffee? Do you walk to work? Think about your morning words. I wake up. I wash my face. I leave my house. These are very important phrases. Now, it is the middle of the day. This is the time for work and tasks. Let us look at a woman named Maria. Maria is a teacher. She starts her work at 9 in the morning. Maria is very busy. She talks to her students and writes on the board. She helps people learn new things. Helping others makes her happy. It is a beautiful job. She speaks slowly so her students can understand. At 12 o'clock, Maria takes a break. It is time for lunch. She does not eat a big meal because she wants to stay active. She eats a green salad and an apple. After lunch, she sits outside for 10 minutes. She looks at the trees and the birds. The fresh air gives her energy. It is a quiet time for her mind. Then, she goes back to her desk. She finishes her projects and answers her emails. She types on her computer. She writes "thank you" and "good luck" to her friends. By 5 o'clock, her workday is finished. She packs her bag and goes home. She feels proud because she worked hard. Work is different for everyone. Some people work in a shop. Some people work at home. Use simple words like, I start work. I have a meeting. I finish work. These words show your life to others. Food is a big part of our day. Every day, we choose what to eat. This is a good way to practice English. Let us talk about lunch and dinner again. Imagine you are at a market. You see red tomatoes, yellow bananas, and green bread. No, wait. Bread is not green. You see brown bread. You choose the best food for your body. When you cook, you use many actions. You wash the vegetables. You cut the fruit. You boil the water. These are action words. Maria likes to eat healthy food. She believes that good food makes a good mood. When she eats her salad, she feels light. When she drinks water, she feels hydrated. In the evening, some people eat a large dinner with their family. They sit at a table. They share bread. They talk about the weather. It is sunny today. It is raining today. Talking about food is the easiest way to start a conversation in English. Do you like to cook? What is your favorite meal? Write the name of your favorite food in your mind right now. What do you do after work? Life is not only about work. We must have fun too. Let us look at a man named David. David finishes work at 4 in the afternoon. He does not go home immediately. He goes to the park. He likes to run. Running makes his heart strong. He wears his running shoes and a red hat. After he runs, he feels very tired but very happy. Other people have different hobbies. Some people play the guitar. They make beautiful music. They practice every day. Some people like to paint. They use blue and yellow to make a picture of the sky. Hobbies are important because they help us relax. They give us something to talk about. You can say, I like to run. I enjoy music. I play games. These are short sentences, but they are perfect for A1 learners. You do not need big words to be interesting. The evening is for resting. It is important to stop working and relax your mind. Think about a student named Leo. Leo arrives home in the evening. He is tired. First, Leo cooks dinner. He likes to make pasta with vegetables. Cooking is a fun hobby for him. It is like a science experiment. He adds salt. He adds pepper. While he eats, he does not look at his computer. He does not look at the television. He enjoys his food. He tastes the tomato sauce. It is delicious. After dinner, Leo cleans the kitchen. He washes the plates and the spoons. He puts the trash outside. Now the house is clean. Then, he sits on a soft chair. He reads a book for 30 minutes. Reading helps him learn new words. He uses a dictionary if a word is difficult. Sometimes, he calls a friend. They talk about their day and they laugh. Laughing is the best medicine for stress. It makes the heart feel light. This is how Leo finds peace after a long day. What is your favorite way to relax? Do you watch a movie? Do you listen to music? Relaxation is a very important part of a healthy routine. Why do we have a routine? A routine helps our brain stay calm. When we know what to do next, we do not feel worried. Let us look at the benefits of a plan. If you prepare your clothes at night, you save time in the morning. If you write a list of tasks, you do not forget important things. A plan is like a map for your day. It shows you where to go. People who have a routine are often very successful. They wake up at the same time. They eat at the same time. This consistency is good for the body. It is like a clock that never stops. You can start a small routine today. Maybe you can read one page of an English book every night. This is a small step. But many small steps make a long journey. The day is almost over. Now, we must prepare for the next day. This makes the morning easier. A girl named Anna has a special routine. At 9 in the evening, she stops using her phone. She puts it on the table. She does not want to see more messages. She wants her brain to be quiet. Then, she chooses her clothes for tomorrow. She puts them on a chair. She looks at the weather report. Tomorrow it will be cold, she says. So, she chooses a warm sweater. Anna also writes in a small notebook. She writes 3 things that made her smile today. For example, she saw a beautiful flower. She ate a delicious cookie. Or she learned a new English word. This helps her feel grateful. When you feel grateful, you sleep better. Finally, she brushes her teeth and washes her face. She uses warm water and soap. She goes to bed at 10 o'clock. She closes her eyes and breathes slowly. She is ready to sleep and dream. The house is dark. The world is quiet. It is time to recharge your battery. Your body is like a phone. It needs to be plugged in at night to have power tomorrow. Let us look at the words we used today. We used words for the morning, wake up, get up, and breakfast. We used words for the work, busy, meeting, and tasks. We used words for the evening, relax, dinner, and journal. These words are your tools. When you have tools, you can build something. You can build a conversation. You can build a friendship. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. If you say, I eated dinner, instead of, I ate dinner, it is okay. People will still understand you. The most important thing is to speak. Every day you speak, you get better. You are doing a great job. I hope you enjoyed this lesson about daily routines. Now, it is your turn to practice. Using what you learned is the best way to remember. Step 1. Please go to the comments section below. Write one new English word you learned today. Just one word. Or, write one thing you do every morning. I want to see what you learned. Step 2. If you want to continue your simple learning journey with me, please click the subscribe button. We will learn more English together every week. I will help you with your grammar, your speaking, and your listening. Thank you for watching. You are a great student. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.